Sunday, December 10th, second Sunday of Advent, Day of Diocesan Education Apostolate. Focus. After me comes he who is mightier than I, the strap of whose sandals I am not worthy to stoop down and untie. The Gospel introduces two figures that stand at the beginning of the Christian story, Jesus and John the Baptist. It recounts the fulfillment of what was prophesied by John's father, Zechariah, through his poetic oracle, the Benedictus. After the death of prophet Zechariah, around 350 BC, the voice of God had not been heard in the land, and the people believed that the spirit of prophecy was quenched. The long silence is broken by John as he proclaims a baptism of repentance for the forgiveness of sins. It resonates with the people long starved of a prophetic voice. John's uniqueness and efficacy as a prophet was reinforced by his humility. Although he had his own group of loyal disciples, he did not make himself the center of his prophetic witness but pointed self-effacingly towards Jesus. Do we humbly promote our peers without feeling threatened about our position in the picture? Are we free to celebrate the importance of others because we have a sense of our own worth and value before God? John the Baptist embodied these virtues, and we would do well to cultivate them. Fruit. I will follow the humble example of John the Baptist in my small Christian community.